Mastering the GMAT, refining your test-taking strategies. Hello learners! Today we'll dive deep into refining your test-taking strategies for the GMAT. Remember, the GMAT isn't just about what you know. It's about how you apply what you know. Let's jump in and sharpen those skills. Before refining our strategies, it's vital to understand the foundational elements of the GMAT. The GMAT tests not just your knowledge, but your ability to think critically and make decisions under timed conditions. It's important to be conscious of the clock. One of the common mistakes is spending too much time on a single question. Practice pacing. Set a timer during mock tests. This will help you get a feel for the time you can allocate per question. Skip and return. If a question seems too challenging, mark it, skip, and return if time allows. Don't get stuck. Often, the right answer is not apparent. Instead of looking for the right answer immediately, eliminate the wrong ones. This narrows down your choices and increases the probability of selecting the correct one. Trust your instincts. Sometimes, your first choice is the right one. Overthinking can lead to mistakes. Nothing beats real-time practice. Mock tests. Regularly take full-length mock tests. This helps you familiarize yourself with the test format and conditions. Review. After each test, review your answers. Understand why you got an answer right or wrong. This is crucial for refining your strategies. Being mentally and physically prepared can give you an edge. Relax before the test day. A fresh mind works better than a stressed one. Eat well and sleep well. Your brain needs fuel and rest to function at its best. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water, but remember the balance to avoid frequent restroom breaks during the test. Your strategy might need some tweaks as you go. Stay flexible. What works for one section might not work for another. For instance, your strategy for the quantitative section might differ from the verbal section. Learn from mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. Adjust your strategy based on the errors you make during your practice tests. There you have it. Refining your test-taking strategies for the GMAT is a continuous process. Every learner is different, so find what works best for you. We hope this video helps you get one step closer to acing the GMAT. Best of luck, and happy studying!